Hello everyone. Today, hello, hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 3. Express the following in the form P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Let us find. Here you see uh, number question 1 is 0.6 bar. Let us find the solution of this question. Right? Here you see let us take let us take question number 1. Question number 1 is 0.6 bar. That means it is repeating. That means you can write it here as 0.666. It is repeating, therefore I write dot dot dot. Right? Now let us take let x is equal to 0.666. It is repeating. Now multiplying both the numbers by 10, we are getting 10x. 10x is equal to 6.666 dot dot dot. Right? Now you are getting 10x is equal to this much. Right? Or you can write it here as 10x is equal to 6 plus 0.666 dot dot dot. Right? Or you can find it here as 10x is equal to 6 plus, and this value is x, 0.666. This is x. Now we are getting 10x minus x is equal to 6, or 10x minus x is 9x is equal to 6, or x can be written as 6 by 9. 6 by 9, that is 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. Therefore the value of x is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore the value of x is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3, and that is the answer of question number 1. Let's solve question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is, question number 2 is 0.47 bar. That means 7 is repeating. Let us take let x is equal to 0.47 bar, means 7 is repeating. 7 dot dot dot. Now if you multiply, here you see, if you multiply with 10 both sides, then we are getting 10x. 10x is equal to 4.7 7 dot dot dot. If we take this equation as question number 1, right? Now multiplying this equation again by 100x, this equation by 100x by 100, multiply both sides by 100, this equation, then we are getting 100x. 100 x is equal to 47.777 dot dot dot. Right? This is question number 2. Now subtracting question number 1 from 2, subtracting equation 1 from 2, Subtracting equation 1 from 2 we get, subtracting equation 1 from 2 we get, subtracting, this is 100x minus 10x is equal to 90x, and you see this one, if you subtract this one, 47 minus 4, right, 47 minus 47.777 minus 44.777 dot, then we are getting 43. 47 minus 4 is 43. Therefore the value of x is equal to 43 by 90. 43 by 90, and that is the answer. 43 by 90, and that is the answer, right? This is question number 2. Now we shall solve question number 3. Question number 3 is, now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is, question number 3 is 0. Question number 3 is 0.001. 3 are repeating, right? Therefore you can write here as 0.001 dot, right? Now let x is equal to, let x is equal to 0.001 dot. That means it is repeating, right? Now if we multiply it by 1000 on both sides, 3 digits are repeating. That means you have to multiply both sides with 1000. This is 1000x. 1000x is equal to 1.001 dot, right? Now we can write here as 1000x. 1000x is equal to 1 plus 0.001 dot, right? And this value is x, right? Therefore you can write that 1000x is equal to 1 plus, this value is x, 1 plus x. Now 1000x minus x is equal to 1, right? Therefore 1000 minus x is equal to 999. X is equal to 1, 1. Therefore the value of x is equal to 1 by 999, 1 by 999, and that is the answer, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.